I'm JP Bouvet. Welcome to the Drum Channel YouTube. This video is an excerpt from the 3-course drum workshop that I teach on drumchannel.com that teaches you how to improvise on the drums. Improvisation is one of those topics that a lot of teachers shy away from, but it's something I've come to specialize in. And it comes from very strategically using constraints and building those constraints out a little bit at a time. So you'll find in these 3 courses that we take a step-by-step approach to establishing freedom within a subset of vocabulary. In the first course, we develop straight time flow mode. Flow mode is playing the infinite drum fill. So it's kind of infinite flow on the kit, but crucially with control and understanding of what you're doing. In the second course, we take a similar approach to developing triplet flow vocabulary. For a lot of my students, this is the first triplet vocabulary that they feel really comfortable with and that they can play effortlessly with. This translates directly into fills for songs, but it's also something you can solo with and just improvise with in the practice room to push yourself. In the third course, we bring a similar approach to what I call a flow groove. And this is where you're essentially improvising with your hands at the ghost note level while you play a groove. It's actually a really common thing you'll see a lot of your favorite drummers doing, but no one really breaks down how to get there. So we bring the right, left, left kick approach to a groove setting, and we build the ability not to play a handful of grooves, but to improvise constantly this quick, intricate, linear style of grooving. And then at the end of the course, we learn how to tie this stuff all together because all of the vocabulary is actually interchangeable. So this lets you move between triplets and straight time. It lets you move between a groove setting and a flow setting. And crucially, at every point while you move between those, you're going to be improvising and creating these melodies on the fly. Thanks for watching this course. Happy improvising. I hope you enjoyed this video. To dive way deeper into this subject matter and develop your improvisation on the drum set, check out the link in the description, and that'll take you to these in-depth courses on drumchannel.com.